Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will see how we can undo the changes in WordPress website. Okay, so before we start the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will get more interesting videos like this in future. So let's start the video. So firstly we will go on post. Okay, firstly we will do some changes on post and try to retrieve that again. Okay, so I will add one post quickly. So just I will add it like test and I will just publish it for now. Okay, we will open it in a new tab, and for this I will use the default editor. Okay, I will be not using dv editor. Okay, so this is a default page editor which comes with dv sorry WordPress installation. Yeah, so let's start with writing content. Like I will write some demo content. Okay, so I have written this. Okay, and let's write more thing. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just hit update. Okay, and now if I deleted this line, where are you from, and again I will click on update. Okay, I have clicked on update. Now when you go on front end and see, we have here two lines: hi, how are you. Okay, and what if you want that third line to be back on a page? Okay, in this case it is only one line, but in your case it might be many images, many text, more text, I mean more text, anything. Okay, so how you can retrieve that back, let's see. Okay, so firstly, if this right sidebar is not coming on your dashboard, just click on this settings here. Okay, you will find the option here of settings, just click on that, and if you're on the blog section, just go to the post section. Okay, here scroll down and you will find this revision section. Okay, here you will see the number of revisions. Okay, I will just click on the revisions now. Okay, so on the revision pages you will see the three revisions. This is the first revision, this is second revision, this is third revision. Okay, so we will be seeing the third revision now. Okay, so look at this. This is the current content we have on our page, which is hi, how are you. Okay, like we have this only two lines. Okay, and on the previous revision we have that line. Okay, in your case it might be more content and more images. Okay, so what if I want this line again to be on my post? Okay, so for that we have to use this slide here. Okay, just click on it and drag it backward, and you can see now you have successfully added where are you from line on your post now. Okay, so now what I will do, just I will click on restore this revision. Okay, I will click on this, and now you will see the line where are you from gets added to the post. Okay, here it is, and now you can again update it, and yeah, now you can refresh the page and you can see the third line is here now. Okay, so this is how you can revert the changes, and now let's see how you can revert the changes for the pages also. So I will just go on dashboard again, and let's go to pages. I will click on add new page. Okay, I will just click test. Okay, and let's publish it. Okay, the page has been published successfully. Now just view the page in new tab. I will close this blog one. Okay, now the page. Okay, we don't have any content, so let's just add the content. For this also I will use the default editor now. Okay, this is a WordPress default editor, so I will just again add hello, hi, how are you. Okay, same, I will just click on update. Okay, and then again I will delete this line, how are you, and just update the text. Okay, I will go on a front end and refresh the page. Now we have only two lines, hello and hi. Now if you want the third line, how are you back on the post, it in your case it can be anything. Okay, it can be images, it can be more content. Okay, just go again simple. If the right sidebar is not there, just click on settings, go on pages, and now here you will find the revisions. And for this also you have to do the same thing. Okay, just click on the revisions, and now just click the slider and go to the previous version. Okay, and now you can see we have added this line here, and now just click on restore this version, and you will see this line on your page now. Okay, I will just update it, and now you can see you have successfully retrieved the old changes you have made on pages. Okay, so what if you say I am using Elementor or DV or any page builder? So it works with the page builder also. Okay, so let's see one example. I'm using a DV for this, so let me just quickly open the DV. Okay, so let's add one content here. Okay, so I will add one block, and then we'll add a text here. Okay, this demo text. Okay, I will just make sure to save this. Okay, and again what I will do, I will just duplicate it and again save this. Okay, now once we will refresh this page, on the front end you will see two text boxes are here. Now I mean the two paragraphs are here. Now what we will do, we will just delete one paragraph from here, and again we will save. Okay, we will go here and refresh the page. Okay, we have deleted the second paragraph. Okay, now I want that second paragraph back on my WordPress page. So what I will do, okay, basically with Elementor also and with DB also, they provide the history option from where you can easily get that second paragraph back. But if you don't find that option, then you can also use the post revisions also. So what you can do, just exit it from here. I mean, you can exit it from the Elementor or whatever the page builder you are using. Just go on edit the page again, and now it is a same process again. Go on revisions here, and now you can see the code has been changed. Actually it is a short code provided by DB. If you are using Elementor, the content must be different, but we have to focus on adding that paragraph back. So what we will do, we will just click here and drag it to backward, and now you can see we have two paragraphs. Okay, so first one is this and second one is this. Okay, so what we will do, just click on restore this revision, and we will update the page now. Okay, so let's update the page now, and let's see if we have get that paragraph back or not. I will just refresh the page, and yeah, now you can see we have successfully retrieved the second paragraph. So this is easy. Okay, I hope you have understand this. If you have any questions, you can let me know in comments. Okay, so thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe to channel. Thank you.